Adventure 3, a new plug-and-play 3D printer, free of leveling, brings impressive experience without any complex leveling or adjusting. The device is fully enclosed. The lightweight design on motion axis gives a feeling of smoothness and quietness, which is very suitable for quiet occasions such as classroom, laboratory, and so on. The heated build plate reduces warping and curling. It is also easier to remove models with a bendable flex build plate. We always met extruder troubles of disassembly and maintenance in the past. A brand new and integrated extruder designed by Flashforge install or take off the extruder easily by a buckle structure with your hands. As a compact desktop 3D printer, Flashforge is looking for the simplest way for educators, children, and makers. To ensure easy and visible operation, Flashforge Adventurer 3 comes with not only all regular functions, but also an LCD touch display and camera, automatically loading filament, as well as USB disk and Wi-Fi connectivity controlled by Flash Cloud. The most important is about innovation. Ideas came from classroom, office, or garage. Adventure 3 is an assistant tool to help children open the mind and get an intuitive feeling.